Hello everyone, my name is Akash Parik and in today's video we are going to solve a question which has appeared both in GATE as well as in UGC NET, and this is a question which is most common or frequent in any computer science competitive exam. And the question is, a text is made up of characters A, B, C, D, E. So we have a text which has only suppose 5 characters A, B, C, D, E, and their probability is given, that occurrence of the probability of occurrence of any character, that is 0.08, 0.40, 0.25, 0.15 and 0.12 respectively. So let us just make this probability distribution chart. So we have 5 characters A, B, C, D, E, and we know their probabilities in our text. The probability is 0.08, 0.40, 0.25, 0.15 and 0.12. And the question asks, the optimal coding technique will have the average length of. So we have to find the optimal coding for this probability, for this character we have to find the optimal coding. And it further asks us to find the average length optimal coding. So first we will find the optimal coding, and then we will find the average length optimal coding. So a very famous algorithm to find the optimal coding is Hoffman coding. That is Hoffman coding. Hoffman coding. So Hoffman coding is a lossless data compression algorithm. So it compresses the data and it is lossless. That means no information will be lost. And it is a variable length coding, that is if assigns codes of variable length to characters depending on their frequency. That means most frequent character or most frequent letter will get the smallest length code, and the least frequent letter or character will get the largest length code, so that the optimal or the average length will be less. So let us just see. So to find the optimal code we have to find a Hoffman tree. So let us just see how we can find a optimal tree. So what does Hoffman algorithm does is that it takes the two characters which have least probability. So in our case we will take first A and E, which is least probability. So we'll take A and E, and we are making a tree, and A and E are the leaves. All the characters will be leaves of this tree. So their A's probability is 0.08, E's probability is 0.12, and we will merge these two nodes and make another node AE, whose probability will be sum of these two probability, that is 0.20. And then these two nodes for these two characters already done, and now we have four characters. One character is AE as a whole, and then we have B, we have C, and we have D. Out of these four we will take those two whose probability is least. So we have AE has 0.20, and we will take D which has 0.15. So we will take D which has 0.15, and we will merge these two to get another node. We will name it as AED, and we will sum the two probabilities to get 0.35. And now we have one character AED, and then we have B, and then we have C, and out of these three we will take two whose probability is least. And 0.35 we already have, and we will take C whose probability is 0.25. So we will get one another node whose we will name it as AETC, whose probability is 0.60. And now we have the last node, so we will take B. So we will take B whose probability is 0.40, and we'll get a final node which is AEDCB. In any order you can name it, and the probability is 1. So this is our tree which we have constructed, and now in this tree we will give, for each edge we will give it a value. So suppose for the left edge we will give it 1, and for the right edge we will give it 0, or you can do that for the left you give it 0, and for the right you give it 1. So for the left I am giving 0, right 1. and now again at this step for the left 0 right 1, and again in this step for the left 0 right 1, and again in the last step for the left I will give 0 and for the right I will give 1. So 0 1 0 1 0 1 left right 0 1 left right 0 1 left right and 0 1 left right. And let us just write this code. So the code for A will be the path from this root to A. So if we'll take the path from root to A, I will take A. So I will take this 1 0 and then I will take again 0 and then I will again take 0. So code for A is 1 0 0 0. Code for B is only this, that means 0. Code for C will be 1 1, that means 1 1. Code for D will be 1 0 1. So code for D will be 1 0 1, and code for E will be 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. So A will require a code of 4 length, B will require a code of 1 length, C will require a code of 2 length, D will require a code of 3 length, and E will require a code of 4 length. And if you see, and if you match this length of the code with the probability, you will see that B, whose probability is the highest, whose probability of occurrence is the highest, gets the least number of length, and A, whose probability is least, gets the highest, that is 4. So we have got the length of each character A, B, C, D, E, and now the question asks us to find the average length. So if you want to find the average length, you have to just do a simple calculation, that is, you take the length of each variable and you multiply it with its probability. That means for A I will do 0.08 into 4 plus I will do summation of all this and I will get the average length. For B, its probability is 0.40 into 1 plus probability of C is 0.25 into 2 because its optimal code length is 2 plus 0.15 for C into 3. AB, sorry, for C it will be 2. For D it is 0.15 into 3 and plus 4. For E it will be 0.12 into 4, and if you do summation of this you will get it as 2.15. So the average length will be 2.15, and which is the answer D. So the main part of this question is to know that we have to find, the question is speaking about Huffman coding and it will be easily solvable, and this is a very easy question and is frequently asked in GATE, UGC NET or ISRO. Thank you very much.